Oh, Miss Loretta, I'm ready for the rest of the tour. Y'all see that? Baby, I gotta get these edges back, okay? And they coming. Hey.
Faded off in 1942, taking off the nights I spent. Faded off in 1942, taking off the nights I spent.
Good morning, my beautiful people. Jackie Nicole here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this right now, you're probably looking like you haven't seen the first video. You're probably looking like, what in the hell? Yeah, I started those locks. Oh my gosh. I definitely hate this part of it, but I wore it like this the other night because I was gonna put a wig on, but I didn't feel like all that, so I was like, whatever. But today is Tuesday and it's like a free day for me. I don't work out on Tuesdays, so I'm just gonna get some stuff done. Let me do these edges right quick. Oh, something in my eye. Come on now, it's too early for this. It's too early for this. But I got some leave-in moisturizer. It was a corner in here. I mixed some water in here. So to get all my money's worth and to moisturize, I'll just mix some water with it. And I've been spraying them every morning. Just gonna do the edges. And today, what I have lined up to do is I'm gonna get my hair growth oil. Well, I need to do another batch. And I need to finish up wrapping up the turmeric soap that I have already made. Wrap it up and label it. Gosh. Can y'all see this? Y'all see this magic in the making? Baby, I'm trying to work with it. Boost me up. I've been keeping 1 or 2 clips readily available on the counter for my little flyaways when I get up in the morning. Sometimes now I have 1 or 2 that's going whatever way it want to go. So I clip it down so it can be flat. Let it dry for about 15-20 minutes and then I'll take it back out. Because I don't consider it to be the ugly stage. It's just the stage where you gotta love yourself. But this is actually cute, you know, with the size and everything. I got it all over. But anywho. So I'm gonna get that done. And I think Caleb has practice today. So I'm gonna figure out what, well, my daughter's cooking today because it's Tuesday. So it's tacos. Something about them baby hairs, baby. When you swoop them baby hairs, hey, it bring it all together. Hey, now mind what you talking about. But I put some of my oil. I had a little corner in here. I put some damn, I messed that up. I'm supposed to have 3 swoops, not 2. I put some rosemary oil on my edges already. I've been doing it every day. And I've been Dermaneedle. Is it called Dermaneedle? What do you call the thing? Let me show it to you right quick. Before I put my oil or whatnot on. I ain't trying to press them down or anything. So I'm just planning on being productive today. So I'm about to get dressed. Because when you look good, you feel good. Hey, vice versa. When you feel good, you look good. All that. Yeah. Y'all see that? But anywho, that's what I got planned today. And whatever pops up, you already know. So, yeah. I already got the kiddos out the door. One of them decided to eat school lunch because it's walking tacos, so they can't eat the meat. They can eat everything else. The other ones, I made some deli sandwiches and whatnot, and sneak some of the little new Oreo sticks that I got. They don't know I got them, so they can be real shocked when they open their lunches today, and they gonna come home looking for them. But I hid them because they will eat them up. Okay, but yeah. Let's get this day started. Oh gosh. I can't say one thing. When I have locks or when I have my buzz cut, I feel so free. I feel so free. All I gotta do is get up and either spray some water or something on my hair or brush it down on the sides, or when I got my daughter up. It just, come on. Hey, if you know, you know. Oh, I wasn't even in the camera the whole time. My bad. My bad. Okay. What am I doing? The no makeup look. I just put some concealer under my eyes. That's it. That's it. That's all. This is actually a not a contour, but I use it as a contour. It's the Minted, I think it's Yacht. It's a bronzer. I think it's Yacht Life. To warming up my face. Not too much. We ain't going nowhere. Well, I'll practice later, but we going downstairs in the office. Boom, boom. Miss Loretta, I'm ready for the rest of the tour.
Trying to keep us together, hope it's worth the drive. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on our side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me.
So, I already got my oil and rosemary boiling or whatever, so I can finish making this hair growth oil, because I'm completely out. So that's what I'm getting done now, and I have to finish up wrapping up the soap. I do the double boil method, so I don't fry any of the nutrients and everything, you know, the good stuff out of the rosemary and the clove. And before I put the mint in there, I'll take some out for the eyelash oil for growth, because the mint, that burn your eyes. I ain't take it out the first time, and yeah, I paid for it. Yeah. I had my little, I put on my little apron because, like they say, I won't mess up my good clothes. She always say that. Anything she put on, she said that is my good clothes. And I put my apron on. Especially when I'm dealing with oils, because baby, anything hard to come out. But my friend stopped by while I was working, and I just went and got it. What the hell? Because I'm trying hard not to buy that YSL bag. That thing 25. What is it, 25? I know it was 2,000 and something. I forgot the other numbers that go with it. But it's, you know, the double strap, and it got the little thing right here. If you know, you know. But I tried to find a replica. And it goes longer than that. But that's how the inside looks. It's cute. I think I might keep it. Because it don't actually be the brand for me. It just sometimes the damn brand, it be nice and all the replicas be looking it be looking cheap, like a knockoff. So you might as well get the real thing if you trying to damn mimic it and it ain't there. But yeah, it's really nice. Trying to get a picture. So I don't have to take one. But anywho, let me finish eating my lunch so I can finish being productive. You ain't getting none, so I don't even know why you sitting there looking cute. You sitting there cute, trying to beg. Yeah, you. I'm talking about you. Okay, I am back. I think I'm gonna cut it off for right now, as far as me being productive, because I forgot this shit is time consuming, and I don't record a whole lot while I'm doing you know, the oils and stuff like that, because oils are on my hands, and plus I don't like, one of my pet peeves is when people pick up their phone to do stuff, and a lot of, you know, especially when they're cooking or doing stuff that, anyway, I ain't getting off into that or whatever. But I'm done with the oils. Like I said I was going to take the one out for the lashes, you know, before I put the mint in there, because that menthol, ooh, baby. Whew. Mint promotes hair growth, but baby, look here, no, I ain't gonna be able to do it. But these are the ones, mine, I actually did a refill because it was kind of low, so I just topped them off. And this is how, well, you probably can't even read it, but whatever. That's the labels on there. It says eyelash and eyebrow growth oil, grows longer and fuller. And this growth oil, it has organic olive oil, really organic, it's the male lady, rosemary, cloves, which I also leave one clove in the bottle. I don't know if you can see it floating around in there, but I also put, you know, just for aesthetics, and plus it'll still be, you know, releasing the clove nutrients inside of the oil. But it also, that also promotes hair growth, cloves. So this is my bottle right here, and this is my bottle of hair growth oil. That's what I've been using on my edges. If you look back in the video of when I first took out my braids, looking like a young man, all right here. This is what I'm using right here to grow my edges back. Cause baby, I gotta get these edges back, okay? And they coming. And this has the mint in it because, whew, shit. But anywho, I have to put the labels on. Oh, I've got to show you this one. The label. I don't know why my camera is not doing what it's supposed to do right now. But this one is scalp stimulating growth oil, grows longer and fuller, healthier hair. And it has the instructions on the side of, you know, how to use it, you know. But anywho, for these I just have to, you know, get them labeled up and put them in, you know, where I stored them, because I make small batches, you know, because I don't want them just sitting around. And yeah, I'm gonna have to do the soap another day. Well, pretty much all I have to do is package them up and label them. They're already done. I just don't want to start doing that now, and it's already, you know, late. It's almost 2 o'clock. So I'm just going to go ahead and tidy up with what I'm doing now, so I can get some videos edited and work on some shorts to get posted. But this stuff is already available on the site. I just was, you know, restocking. That was the mail lady that I scheduled to pick up for some orders that I needed to be shipped off. Like, I don't go to the post office no more. I've been having postal pickups, so they can just come and get them off the porch out of my little postal box, whatever. What else? So I feel like I was productive today. Yes. So I can go ahead and mark that off of my to-do. And Caleb has practice tonight, so that's another thing. I want to go ahead and get that tidied up so I can start seeing what is being cooked tonight, because we always have to eat a little early or cook early enough for me to get it packaged up to take with us so we can make it to practice on time. I don't know. I may put a drop of mint in there, you know, not enough to, you know, burn your eyes or whatever, because really when you like close your eyes and then open them, it goes away like really shortly after, but it's just the initial. So I'll see, and if so, I'll just add it in. And this is what I got done today. I went ahead and did the soap. Anyway, I know I said I wasn't going to do it, but I went ahead and got it done. Oh, and before I go, I always like to thank everyone that supports me when I get a chance to. So if you're interested in purchasing anything off of my site, there is a code down under this video. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching this video. If you reached it this far, go ahead and like the video, because obviously you liked the video. No pun intended. But stay tuned for more videos, and remember to just be you and live, because that's the message. I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up this kitchen. You can stay along and watch, or you can go ahead and check out these videos that YouTube has picked just for you. Yeah, coming up. See you on the next one.
Shawty get throwed off in that ring. Shawty get throwed off in my bed. Shawty get throwed off in that ring. Shawty get throwed off in that bed. Shawty get no feeling right. I need a little bit of that swag.